In front of me is REALME GT7 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use one-handed mode. Begin by opening settings and scrolling all the way down right away. When you're ready, tap on accessibility and convenience. Now scroll down a tiny bit and click on one-handed mode over here. Finally, to activate it, use gray switcher right next to it and follow all of those instructions. Swipe down at the bottom of the screen to enter one-handed mode. So when I do that, one-handed mode is working properly. To go back, swipe up or click on this area at the top. To disable one-handed mode completely, use the same no blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!